Year 7, hi 7BM3. Welcome to this week's Times Tables Challenge. This week, I want you to make your own Snakes and Ladders game, and then we're going to combine it with multiplication and division facts so that we can practice this, but in a fun way. And let's get people involved in your family. Now, I have sent you 2 possible boards for you to use. This is the first one, so you can use this one if you wish, or you could use that one. So I've sent you them as both of your homework. Okay, thank you, beautiful assistant. But if you don't have a printer, or you don't want to print them out, or you just want to get creative, why don't you make your own board? That's what I've done here. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to start at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. You go 5 over there, remember. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's keep going. 14, 15, 16. Remember, I go 16 and then up to 17, 18, 19 and 20. Now I've just got a small Snakes and Ladders board. You can make yours as big as you wish. Now again, so that we don't have to hunt for resources, our counters, we've just got 2 stones that look a little bit different. So Lucy's going to have 1 stone and I'm going to have the other. That's us ready. If you have a dice, great. You can use your dice. You can roll your dice for the number of positions that you're going to move. But if you don't have a dice, you could follow this idea. So I have written numbers up to 6 on bits of paper. That's my number 1. I crumple that up and I pop them in the bowl, and we've got to rummage around and we choose one, open it up, find out how many spaces we're going to move on. Now remember, you can add your ladders. You're going to go up ladders and then you're going to slide down some snakes. So we can add another snake in if we wish. We could add a snake that goes from here all the way up to here and back down. My funny snakes. And then you get to start. But you're asking, how do we get this with times tables? So each number I have started to assign a question. So if you land on number 7, for example, you get asked question 7. So if you can have someone at the side of the game, or you can even ask each other the questions, the answers have to be on here as well. So make sure you write out your list of questions that are going to match the number of boxes you have on your board. I've only done 10. I would have to write out another 10, and that would be me ready. Now I'm going to give this, we've got a 3rd person available, so she can see those and ask my competitor and I. Are you ready? Here we are. So we have a counter each. We're going to take, you can go first because I'm nice that way.
No.
Take 1. How many spaces do you need to move on?
2.
2 spaces. So move 2 spaces then. Which one are you?
That one.
Oh, take that one then. 1, 2. Question 2.
No, I get to go up the ladder.
Oh, number 6.
10 times 6.
60.
Correct. Bing!
And she gets to play on. It's my turn now. You're going to crumple this back, put it back in here. I get to rummage around. How many places do I move? I get to move 1. No, that's rubbish. 1. What's question 1, Quizmaster?
3 times 6.
3 times 6 is 18.
Bing! Correct.
So I get to move on. And again, we would continue this to see who wins. Remember, you go up ladders. If I was to land on this one, I have to go all the way down back to 7 again. So please have fun. I would love, love, love to see your Snakes and Ladders boards and you playing. Let's get them up. Some maths on social media. Get them up on the school Twitter and Instagram accounts. So please play. Please send me what you're doing. I cannot wait to see how well you get on. And it's really good to help you with this knowledge too. Good luck, guys. See if you can win like I'm sure I'm going to win this game today. So guys, I'm afraid we were hoping for happy running about kitties, but they're so exhausted that they're having a sleep. So this is Fluffball down here, and we've got two fast asleep in there, all curled up. Night night to these guys. Night night everyone.